This is the Whatcom County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for 1188 Overeem Drive. All occupants. Whatcom County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for 1188 Overeem Drive. All occupants, exit through the front door. Proceed Hyde, you are under arrest. Exit through the front door and follow instructions.
Hey, doors open, doors open.
Doors open.
Doors open. Command, DJ, let's go.
Somebody check up. Come back to the sound of my voice!
Over here so you can see.
Where is he?
Right here.
Come back to the sound of my voice! Start walking out! Come to me! Keep your hands where we can see them, thank you! Keep walking! Steven, come to me!
Fellas, you're gonna back up so he doesn't walk past.
Keep coming! Another one, female, coming out. 3, coming out. Keep coming to the sound of my voice! Keep coming! Walk towards me! Walk towards me! 4th, coming out! 5th, coming out! Keep coming to the sound of my voice! Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep walking!
What's going on?
Stop!
Nothing's going on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let's go.
Keep coming to the sound of my voice! Keep coming to the sound of my voice! Keep coming to the sound of my voice! Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep your hands on your head! On the van.
Hey, anyone else inside? No one else is inside. Do you have any dogs inside? How many? What is it? Okay, they're fine then?
Yeah, don't hurt them, please.
Okay. How many cameras do you have inside? Go back further. Hang tight right here. Let's go. Grab him.
What's happening?
I don't know.
On the van. Hey. On the van. Hey. Anyone else inside?
No.
No one else is inside. Do you have any dogs inside?
Yes, there's
Hang on
two
tight.
How
dogs.
many? What is it?
2 dogs, a little chihuahua.
Okay, they're fine then?
Yeah, don't hurt them, please.
Okay. How many cameras do you have inside?
1 inside.
Okay. Thank you.
If I borrow your pen there when you're done? Thank you, sir. I'm going to double lock these, okay? That way they don't lock up any tighter.
What is it?
You
you Christina?
Yes.
All right, Christina, you're going to be under arrest. I don't want you to say anything until someone reads you your rights, okay? And you're being audio and visually recorded.
Just me?
No. If she doesn't need to be, then she's just being detained. She can just hang tight.
What did I do?
I'll have someone explain further to you, okay? I just need you to hang tight right now, all right? This is our contact person. I'm going to walk her back over this way, Christina. Follow me, okay? I'm going to have you come with me. Follow me, okay?
What's your name, ma'am? Diana Camp.
What are they doing? There's no one in the house. Dogs. Only the dogs. There's no one else in the house. No. There was Howard in there, but I don't know where Howard is. I don't know where Howard was.
What?
He's coming.
Watch her, I'm getting drunk.
There's only one other guy in there.
This is the sheriff's office. We have a search warrant
Jason,
for 1913
put it off.
Conifer Drive.
Put it off the
All
side of the
units
house.
connected to the front door.
Contact front door. Hands up!
Contact front door. Keep your hands up.
Haystack, take verbals. Jaron.
Hands up. Keep coming, Blake. Keep coming.
Bring her all the way back. Bring her all the way back. Bring her all the way back. Where's your dog at, ma'am?
And with my husband, he's disabled.
Okay, is the dog gonna bite us?
No, I don't know. He's never. I don't even. What?
Okay,
I don't
so
even know what's going on.
let's go walk back here. Go walk over by Colin.
We'll arrange for all that before you leave, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Right. They have not been double locked.
Okay.
Okay?
Does she need
double locked.
Miranda?
Yeah, Miranda, I did.
Okay. I'm gonna head to the car.
I need a pair of shoes and my teeth. That's okay.
Okay. Well, we'll see about getting that here in a little bit here, but we're gonna be going this way, all right? No,
Yeah.
This way.
Oh, okay.
No,
Okay.
down at the end.
Okay.
Cuffs here. Did they search you back there already? All right.
Oh no.
No? Okay, all right. Just face the car. I'm going to pat you down real quick. Gotta ask.
That's fine.
Do you have anything on you? Any knives, needles, guns, drugs, anything like
Nope.
that?
Nope.
Okay. Anything in any pockets at all?
Nope.
No?
I might have a lighter, but can I
Might
have
have
a
a
cigarette too before we go? Can I have my shoes and my teeth and smoke?
We'll get that stuff figured out here in a sec. Alright, why don't you go ahead and take a seat in there? rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I guess. I don't even know what's going on.
Okay. So, I'm not going to ask you any questions, just because it's someone else's case. So, I'll just have you hang out here.
Okay.